How to fix locked Snapchat account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from The Solution Guide. In today's guide video, I will show you the way on how you can actually fix a locked Snapchat account. But before we get started with the video, if you are new to our channel, then make sure to leave a like and hit the subscribe button. And without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. So if you want to fix a locked Snapchat account issue, first of all, make sure to uninstall any type of third-party apps which you used in order to get help with Snapchat issues. So if you use any third-party plugins or services, I want you to simply uninstall those. Once you've done those, instead of trying to unlock our account from the app, we will just go ahead and then open up our browser. Once you open up our browser, in the search box you simply have to go to this link which I'll leave in the description box, which is basically called accounts.snapchat.com/account/unlock. So you can also see over here unlock successful, so select accounts.snapchat.com/account/unlock and then hit the go button. Now at first you may definitely need to log into your Snapchat ID. So as you can see, it will ask me to log into my Snapchat account. So go ahead and log into the account which is basically locked. Once you enter your email address and password, just tap on the login button, and as you tap on the login button, it will take you to this page over here. You can see my account has been actually locked. So if you want to unlock it, you can read some of the instructions over here that says, if you received a message saying that your Snapchat account has been temporarily locked, please wait and try logging in, and after again several hours. If your account has been locked for an extended period of time, you can try to unlock your account by clicking unlock below. Please note that you must uninstall any third-party apps, plugins and tweaks before trying to unlock your account. Continual use of third-party applications or tweaks, sending spam or other abusive behaviors can lead to your account being permanently locked. So just make sure to be aware of that. And what you want to do is just tap on the unlock button over here. Once you tap on the unlock button, you can see it says success. We have unlocked your account. Thank you for your patience. Now you can just go ahead and then open up Snapchat and try to log into your account, and most of the time this would definitely solve the problem, as you can see over here. And this is how you can fix a locked Snapchat account. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.